Here I'm going to show you how to use our CR1000 to test Bosch CR injector and generate QR code. First, turn on the power in the back of the tester. And then check the injector model number. This tester has two operating modes, mouse and touch screen. I'm going to operate with mouse. First, we will test the injector. Here, click inject option and enter into this inject test page. We are going to test Bosch CR injector, so I select Bosch 28 volt here. Its select is voltage here. You can select 14 voltage here too. Okay, and adjust path here, adjust interval here, adjust count here, and then clamp injector coil with adapter cable. Here we come back to the screen and click inject. The machine starts testing now.